Sticker marks on cabinets are really difficult to remove, and you keep wondering how you would remove the sticky adhesive marks from cabinets, drawers, or different other places. Of course, when they are on the wall, it would be a different story completely because when you try to remove the sticker, the wall piece also might get chipped off. The adhesive will not remain, but especially on plastic stuff, on cabinets or something, if your child has put a sticker or you have put a tape while shifting for safety, um, it is very difficult to remove the adhesive stain, the adhesive mark. So what do we do in this case is what are we going to show you on how today. Friends, this is the adhesive tape mark basically that I have on my cabinet. First, I will just use a little oil around the place. Now, the reason why I'm going to put oil around this area is only so that once I start removing the sticky stain, it will not stick in the surrounding area. It will, because of the oil being there on the base. So once I have spread the oil completely around the area, what I'll do is I'll take a lighter. This is the lighter that I have, and I will just start heating it. Don't heat the full stuff, do it part by part, little by little, because if you're going to heat the full area, what will happen when you're working on one side of the adhesive mark, the other side will cool down, if you heat it all at once. So try doing it part by part, and this is really going to be hot, so you cannot do it by your fingers. Either make use of you can't use tissue paper, this is a wet wipe cloth, or just a normal cloth you could use to rub the area around, and just keep heating part by part. Wherever you see the sticky mark, just heat it and rub it. And one thing is assured, that once you keep rubbing the area, it's not going to stick in the other sides, because there's an oily layer that you have already put on the base. Don't overheat it, because overheating can burn the area. So just keep on heating and rubbing. This is what is this whole process going to be. As and when you rub, can you make out that there is this thing which is coming out, the glue which is coming out in the form, like when you use the eraser to rub the pencil mark on your book, how you get the rubber form of it. The same way this adhesive is leaving in the same form, it's leaving in the rubber form. And yeah, I'm almost through. Just that the rubber form is spread because of cleaning the sticky area. Just clean this totally, and then we are done here. So this actually happened when we were trying to shift, and I want to remove the stain. Now can you see this thing is clean. The initial sticker mark is still there. I will just remove that. There. Now it's just what is remaining is just the rubber thing which I had mentioned about here. See, but for that, what you'll have to do is, again you'll have to take little more oil and rub it in the area. Why oil? Because it will be easier to rub, because the stain is basically got out. Only thing, you'll just need to rub it off. So that's why you will make use of oil in the area. Sorry, that is a stain. That's not something sticky. So this is all about the thing that I wanted to say. And once the area is clean, if the oily layer is bothering you, you can just wipe it around with soap, and it will go off. It will not be there for a long time. So you can just rub soap around the area and it will be all gone. This area has become nice and clean. I've tried it first time also, just to let you know. I wanted to know, I was doing the recording, if it works I thought I'll put it up. See, this area is clean, neat and clean, nothing is there. And that's all about how you remove the sticker stain. So, friends, hoping this hack is also going to come in use to most of y'all. Let me know what do y'all have to say about it. Also, do let me know in the comments section or send us an email and let me know if there is any kind of hack that you want us to show on our channel which would be helpful to someone else. We will await your comments and your emails. For those of y'all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that you see besides it. I will also attach the link of my channel at the end of this video, so you can click on it. In case if it is not channeled through YouTube, you'll have to go to my page and try to go through my YouTube channel. I'll see you in another episode of How.